What's up guys, this is Taylor with the Cyber and U team, and I'm doing a quick tutorial on Linux password changes using the command line. It's always a good habit to change your passwords at regular intervals, and this is going to depend on your organization or how often you personally want to do it for your system. But unless a user is actually prompted by the GUI, they might not know how to change it using the command line interface. So I'm just going to show you real quick how we're going to do that. So you bring up a terminal, type password, and as you can see, because we're logged in as user Taylor, we're actually going to type in the current password. Then we select our new password, re-enter that new password, and there you have it. I mean, it's just as simple as that. So, but if I wanted to change the root password, if I actually knew what the root password was, just log in as root. And you just do the same thing. And in those 5 easy steps, we actually managed to reduce the chance of a user's password being compromised. Again, it's always good to change these in regular intervals to prevent any kind of unauthorized access to your system. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and be sure to follow us on Twitter at CyberandU1. Thank you.